any of our electronic bingo sites. Bingo Pot in Magsaysay Drive beside Sam's Pizza. And Bingo Bonus in Barreto. Bingo Party located at RC Mall, East Bahak Public Market. Now open from 8 a.m. till 6 a.m. And your favorite bingo place, Bingo Party Traditional Bingo, is now open to serve you from 12:30 p.m. till 8:30 p.m. Game responsibly. See you there.
Ready to elevate your style? Visit Sosimo Fashion Boutique for luxury brands at unbeatable prices. Celebrate our 5th anniversary with us and enjoy global fashion finds. From classics to trends, all without the hefty price tag. Don't miss our anniversary specials and exclusive offers. Sosimo Fashion Boutique, where luxury meets affordability. Located at number 3 Lower Calaclan, Olongapo City. Follow us on Facebook, www.facebook.com/Sosimo Shoppers. The only shop that will make you social pero hindi mahal. Sosimo Fashion Boutique. Ang Sosimo.
We are the students of Westmead International School, and you are listening to DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
Hello everyone, this is Paul Sapira, and you're listening to DJ Tommy G, the Hitman, at 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, Kuya Paul. 12:17 on the dot. It's now this is now the third and final hour of this radio show. You're still tuning in to 895 Subic Bay Radio, coming to you live from the #1 tourist destination in Central Luzon. 11 straight years now. How awesome is that, huh? 11 straight years. Time now for some of the latest piece of news from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. Our dear SBMA Chairman and Administrator Eduardo Jose L. Alino, along with SBMA Director Kenneth Remencilla and Chief of Staff Von Rodriguez, welcomed Philippine Merchant Marine Academy Superintendent Commodore Joel Abutal and PMMA Alumni Association Incorporated President Captain Jeremias Simon during their courtesy visit at the Chairman's Office of the Administration Building. All right. So our dear Chairman and Administrator welcomed the PMMA, Philippine Merchant Marine Association officials. And aside from that, just a day before that, he also welcomed the officials of Bureau of Internal Revenue Central Luzon officials. Okay, like Regional Director Emmanuel Esperer Jr., Assistant Regional Director Marlon Mendoza, Revenue District Collector Officer Attorney Gerlo Kakatian, Assistant Revenue District Officer Rolando Rotoni, and the Chemical Abstract Service Department Hermie and Santos. All right. Also, a day before that din, dami no, busy. Busy ang ating dear SBMA Chairman and Administrator. He also welcomed officials from the Anglo-Asia Commodities Corporation. President Catherine Yao, VPO Patricia Yao, and Executive Assistant Von Julius Valentino are among the guests from Anglo-Asia Commodities Corporation. Okay, so it's one busy office. The SBMA Chairman and Administrator. Okay, and I wanna invite you guys, yung mga mechanics. Here's something special for you. SKZIC, SKZIC. Lubricants Philippines, yun yung Facebook page ha. Hanapin nyo na lang para makita nyo tong i-announce ko. Alright, if you're a mechanic, alright, tindero or service supervisor, you will get the chance to be rewarded sa bagong programa ng SKZIC Lubricants Philippines. Exclusive para sa inyo, mga mekaniko, sales personnel, service supervisor. We call them ZIC Nation. Frontliner. Ayan. Okay? Tanungin lang yung mga authorized distributor partner sa inyong mga area para malaman kung paano sumali. Okay? So, we have this special, something like a gift card para sa inyo. Okay? And for those who are, driving cars, motorcycles, do try SK Zik lubricants. Okay, it has been the number one motor oil in South Korea for many years now. Nandito na ngayon sa Pilipinas. Okay, so ask about it at the automotive parts and repairs and sales areas. Yan, pwede niyong tanungin. Available nationwide. SK Zik. ZIC, ang Zikreto ng mga champion. Okay? Subukan nyo po. Next up, we have, once again, visit their official Facebook page to know more about it. Ayan, SK Zik Lubricants Philippines. Okay? And Besties Bag Collection is inviting you to follow and like their Facebook page, lalong-lalo na yung mga mahihilig sa sa mga magagandang bag. Okay, leather bags, lalong-lalo na si Mahal, no? Yan. Women and bags really go together, di ba? Minsan si Mahal ang dami-daming bag na nasa aparador, no? Pero hindi niya malaman kung anong gagamitin. Tapos pag tinanong mo, wala daw siya magamit no? Wala kasi ako magamit Try Besties Bag Collection. Ako, ang gaganda ng bag. I saw their live selling yesterday. It's like almost every day. Our friend, si Ate Beng, is doing live selling. Okay? Ang ganda ng live seller, no? Napakagandang live seller, si Ate Beng. So check it out. Visit their Facebook page para mapanood nyo yung live selling. Okay? And follow it as well. Besties Bag Collection. Yun yung pangalan nung Facebook page. BESTIES. Named after their group. Silang magkakaibigan. Ang tawagan nila Besties, no? Tapos kasali ako doon. Tapos nag-iisa akong lalaki, kaya pag lalaki, bestos. Pag babae, besties. Yun, okay? And if you wanna visit their store, kung gusto nyong direkta, kung hindi nyo mahintay yung live online selling, you may visit the store, number 17 Bonifacio Street, Barangay Pag-asa, Olongapo City. Okay? You may also call or text 0999-990-4749. Alright, and also at the same office, same store, you will also find there Edmin's Ref and Aircon services. Okay, for sales, parts, service, repair, installation, maintenance of your aircons, Ref and Aircon. That is Edmin's Ref and Aircon services, located at the same place, same building, number 17, Bonifacio Street, Barangay Pag-asa, Olongapo City. Okay. So those are the invites coming from our friend Beng Bitug. Okay. And next up, we have this next batch of invites once again from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and Downtown. Army Fan Fest will be happening on June 29, Saturday, 3 p.m. Level 2 of SM City Olongapo Downtown. Yung mga fans ng BTS, the BTS Army as they call them. Okay. And Karamiya Cakes and Gelatos is inviting you to celebrate Dad. Check out their Father's Day month of June special cake flavor. Okay, so check it out. Karamiya is located at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. Also at SM Central at the 4th level this time is BFC But First Coffee. So all of you coffee lovers, BFC is now open at the 4th level, right? And also check out the Super Pinoy special offers for you. Okay? Hindi pa tapos ang Super Pinoy offers. It's for the whole month of June actually. Okay? Like the Super Pinoy Market, Super Pinoy Music, Super Pinoy Food Trip, and a whole lot more, right? Menswear is on sale up to 50% off on selected items June 1 to 30 at the SM store. And aside from menswear, of course, girls' teen sale is also ongoing June 1 to 30 up to 50% off as well at all SM stores. Okay. Do check out the Shop and Dine promo. Shop and get exciting dining deals at SM City Olongapo Central. This one runs from May 25 to June 25. And Shakey's congratulates the graduates of 2024. Congratulations, class of 2024. Get your free basket of flavored mojos. Find out how, okay, at Shakey's. Visit them at the ground level, SM City, Olongapo Central. And of course, speaking of occasions, the best gifts for any occasions is the SM Gift Pass. Get them now at the customer service counter of all SM stores. And I'll give you the lineup of movies that are showing right about now. Anong showing sa SM Central Cinemas and SM Downtown Cinemas as well, okay? First up, we have How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies muna. Inform ko lang kayo, extended. Trending tong movie na to, no? Ayan, so extended siya. Ayan, sabi ng ating mga kaibigan sa SM Cinemas, may libreng tissue tsaka tubig sa mga manonood ng How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies. Pati si Vice Jong nanood niyan eh, no? Vice Jong, ganda raw eh. Hindi mo ko sinama, Vice. Along ka po, Vice Mayor Jong Cortez. Ngayon, daya, nanood ng How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies, hindi nagyayaya. Kung may free ticket ka, pengi ako ha. Okay, moving on. Here are the lineup of movies that's showing right about now for SM City Olongapo Central. Cinema 1, Inside Out Part 2, as well as at Cinema 2, okay? 1 and 2. And Cinema 3, Bad Boys, Ride or Die, back-to-back with The Watchers. Cinema 4, Latency, back-to-back with Love You As The World Ends, the movie. Love You As The World Ends, the movie. Interesting movie title, huh? Cinema 5, Playtime, back-to-back with Fruitcake. Cinema 6, Skiyehoshi, Anime Girl, back-to-back with How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies na may libreng tissue at tubig. Okay, for SM Downtown Cinemas, Cinema 1, Inside Out Part 2, as well as at Cinema 2. Yan. And sa Cinema 2, back-to-back ng Bad Boys, Ride or Die. At Cinema 3, How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies, back-to-back with The Watchers. All right? So there you have it, the lineup of movies for Cinema Downtown and Cinema Central, SM City Olongapo Central and Downtown Cinemas. Okay? So back to the Cool Friday Rewind songs for you now. Music coming from Damn Yankees this time. This one's from 1990. The song is called Coming of Age, 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.